They're launching them. Let's do this. Oh. Oh. It's so freaking colorful. I gotta get up. Oh. That was epic. Let's get some more. Yeah. Come on. Oh. Yeah. Launch some more. Oh. Oh, that one was sparkly. Okay, I don't know which side they're coming. But okay. Oh, there's more. There's one more. Okay. Oh, you ought to be seeing this. Oh. Oh. Oh, frick. Oh, here comes the big boy. Dang it, I thought that was a big boy, but wasn't. Here it comes. Oh. It's so colorful. Yeah. Oh, I think I see a little smoke ball. Yeah. Oh, snap. Oh. Oh. Canadian Day. Okay. All right. Let's do this. Yeah. Oh, thank God I got that on camera. Yeah. Oh, snap. Oh, that one was green. Yeah. Oh, here comes the other one. They told me that one wasn't. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. Another one. Wow. Now this is Canada. Woo! You can't shush me. Alright. Oh. Snap. Yeah. Oh! That one was nice. Yeah. Oh! Come on, come on, come on. Let's see some more, right? Oh, here comes more. Oh! Oh! It's so sparkly! Okay, this has to be the big boy. Oh. Oh, I was not expecting that to be huge. Oh, snap. Here they come. That one looks like a ring. Yeah. I want to sit down. Yeah. Oh, we gotta see this. Woo! Woo! That one looks like an explosion. Just to let them know. Oh. Oh, snap. There's mosquitoes everywhere. Okay. Alright, come on. Oh, snap. It's still raining fire. I'm actually surprised. Alright, here it comes. Boom! That one looked like cheeseburger.
No, it looked like maple. Since it represents Canada.
Yeah. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Boom! Sparklers! Let's go with the sparklers! Yeah! Canada! Oh, snap here. That's the big boy. I just get a single pop. Oh, well. Yeah, looks like an alien was taking over there. Oh, we're getting a good show here. I'm starting to think fireworks are the best. Triple shot! Another triple. Wait, how many? Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Now, Shy Guy's watching from here, right, Shy Guy? Yeah. Okay. Alright. Alright, oh, here comes the big boy. Has to be big. Oh. You know, the last time my master was small, he, you know, just wetted his pants. Hey. It don't matter. Oh, you were little. You got too excited there. Well, I didn't have time to use the bathroom. Jeez. You're disgusting. Now don't judge me. Yeah, don't judge him. Oh, here come more. Oh. Oh. That was beautiful. You're beautiful. Boom. Oh wait, it looks like missiles are. Looks like the Russians were taking over, but nah. I love Canada. Boom. Looks like missile. Yeah. Hearts. Oh no, I'm heartless. I can't look at hearts. No. Oh, that, no, that was heartless. Oh dang. Apple. That looked like an apple. Oh what? Oh. 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 Make your wish then. Okay. Come on. Okay, a single boom. Where'd you go, Boris? I got scared. A little bit more. Oh, let me get this. Yeah. Are you gonna get up or you wanna stay seated? I'm gonna stay seated. I'm gonna watch the entire show. Boris, he's just gonna lay down. I'm gonna keep him by my side because I don't want my cousin stealing him. Boom. Oh wait, hold up. My camera got a little blurry there. There we go. I can see better. Oh snap! Here he comes. Oh, sprinklers. I'm taking the side.